All right, well, earlier in the show, we heard some reassurance from this week's Common Ground volunteer on how antibiotics are not found in meat and milk we consume at the grocery store. And now she's back with a recipe. Here is Sara Sindelar with an idea that might fit right into your planning season lunchbox.
Well, if you're looking for a great tasting sandwich that you can eat on the go and make in advance, we're going to find out about it now. Joining me now is Sara Sindelar from the Howells area, Common Ground volunteer. It's good to see you today. What do you have for us?
Hey, John. Today we are going to be making hot beef sandwiches with spring in the air. Farmers are in the field starting to plant here, and busy moms are starting to get on the run with kids' ball games and activities. So what better way? And talking about antibiotics in our meat, I have our ingredients, which are just a regular pound of lunch meat, roast beef from the grocery store, and there's no label on it, but it's still antibiotic free. Some Colby Jack cheese, which you can use any kind you want, and then a stick of butter, loaf of bread. Very simple, especially for moms on the run. I have already toasted you toast 6 slices of bread, place over aluminum foil, and then from here, put your meat and your cheese on.
Are you putting it in the oven and toasting it, or are you putting it in the toaster?
I'm putting it in the toaster, but honestly, you can kind of do whatever you're comfortable with and whatever time allows it for you. It's a recipe that's so simple, and you can swap out different forms of meat, different forms of cheese, kind of whatever to your liking. So once you have everything on, just like that, you have your oven set for 350 for about 5 to 6 minutes until that cheese and the cheese and the meat are nice and melted together. And in the meantime, you can toast your other slices of bread if you wish. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna butter every slice again. Now that the beef sandwiches are melted and the roast beef and everything is all nice and melted and toasted together, you're gonna take your buttered bread and you are going to set it on top, butter side up, and then you're gonna turn your broiler on. You're gonna put it under the broiler for about 3 minutes or so, or until nice and golden brown. Here's your finished product. Hot beef sandwich to go. And for the mom on the run, you need to take the sandwiches to the field or take them to ball games. Just wrap them up, and they will stay nice and warm for about 45 minutes.
And I love the fact that it's easy. So thank you,
Yes.
Sara. Thank you very much for joining us here today.